Hello YouTube watchers, this is one of 6 Dayton laskos I picked up. I'm gonna give each one of these some white lithium to the bearings. So this one has the plug still to it. These blades are curved blades, but this blade set is staying with me. This is the first blade set I happen to grab. This one is missing the pull chain, but it has a little metal lead. The wheel is there and works. So let's go ahead and put it to speed 1. 001. There's this. Number 2 right there. Or maybe it's decent there actually. Let's go ahead and go to 3. Calm down, guys. Things are pretty quiet in this one. It functions as it should. And there's quite a good amount of air. Like I said, here's another close-up of the bearings. Now sit down. Once again, this is Dayton Lasko fan number 1. And this will not include this blade set. This blade set is the blade set I'm keeping on the one I will be keeping. I have to pick my fan also from this list. This is the first set of blades I grabbed. Testing. Hey, calm down. Like I said, you can see these are pretty dirty. And they need some TLC, but they all work. Oh, I haven't tested all of them yet, but these 2 work. Dayton Lasko number 1. Thanks for watching.